Hello everyone and welcome to a Quantum Traders video. Now in this video I'm going to cover a subject which is very close to my heart and something that I've been interested in since I've been trading. Now the reason that cycles are so hard to find in the market is because cycles appear to disappear and then reappear, but you don't know when that's going to happen. Also, cycles tend to change in time length. So this means that one cycle that you might be looking at might be 10 days or 12 days, and suddenly it disappears and it's replaced by a cycle that's, say, 15 days. So analyzing the stock market using cycles is very difficult. And the other problem you have, if you look to analyze the stock market on a daily chart, let's say, the problem is that you have weekends. And of course, when you have weekends in a piece of data, in effect, what you're doing is concertinaing the data together, and any form of cycle analysis will always fail if you don't have a linear time axis. And because we don't have trading over the weekend, it's impossible to use any standard cyclical method to actually find cycles in the market. They all fail. Now, what does fail? Well, I'm going to share with you a cycle that exists. Now, it depends on whether the market's moving up or whether market's moving down. So if you're in a bull market, the market's moving up, you've got one type of cycle. And in a bear market, you've got another type of cycle. But it's quite easy. So what is this cycle? Well, in a bull market with the rising market, if you've got a strong Monday, so Monday opens and closes higher, and you end up with a strong Tuesday, so this means that Tuesday opens lower and closes higher. Always look at the open and close price to determine whether your market's moving up or down. So if Monday and Tuesday are strong, then what you expect on Wednesday and Thursday is a correction, and that correction should go into Friday. Sometimes it does and sometimes it doesn't, but on Friday, especially in the afternoon session when the Americans are trading, you would expect to see strength in that market going into the end of the week and strength on Monday. So I've got a template here and I'm going to drop the template onto the chart so that you can have a look at what it looks like. So this is for a bull market. So I'm just going to put my bull market on here, and you can see that it marks the days of the week, which are very, very handy. So on this day, we had an open here, close up here, Tuesday opened here and actually closed higher. So Monday and Tuesday are both up. So what do you expect? Well, in a bull market, you would expect Wednesday or Thursday, you don't know which day it is, to be a correction downwards against the trend. And indeed, we got a correction down on Wednesday. Market poked up a bit, but then corrected down. And then late Friday, what do you expect? You expect the market to rise into Monday. And indeed, that's exactly what happened. Monday was stronger and Tuesday was stronger as well. So on this Monday, the market opened here and it closed here. So it was still an up day. Now, what happens in a bear market? Well, what we've got here is a great example of a bear market. We've got Monday. Now, Monday actually closed down because we opened here. Let me mark that here as the open, and we actually closed here. Now, although Tuesday looked like it went up, what actually happened was it actually closed lower. So Tuesday, even though we did make a new high, Tuesday was actually a weaker day. So both Monday and Tuesday are down. So in a bear market, this is what you expect. Monday and Tuesday to be weak. You get a counter trend rally on Wednesday, and that rally will fail, and then the market will be down on Thursday into Friday. And that's exactly what we're seeing in this case. We've got a bear market and we've got a counter trend rally here, and that rally is going to give us a weak Thursday and a weak Friday. You can see my two arrows there. Well, it'd be very interesting to see what happens. I have a panic cycle uh, earmarked in all markets, especially the S&P, the Dow, and the Nasdaq, for the 7th of this month. Now, with cycles, they can come in a little bit early. So could it have been the end of October that the cycle came in and it's 7 days early? Well, we might yet get a counter trend rally upwards, and it might just come and challenge these highs. I don't know. That's what I would like to happen, because then I'm going to take the mother of all shorts. But knowing this cycle and knowing where you are, you could have shorted this market on Wednesday. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope to make another video in the very near future for your entertainment. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon.